Hi. Can you see me? No. I think you can't. I'm in the dark. Let me turn on some light. Light! Oh my god. Oh, come on. As God once said, let there be lights. Oh, now you can see me. Oh. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Awesome Web Show. Like, you didn't know. And I am really bored. Really bored. Really bored. I'm watching Best Dance Crew on MTV, and seriously, I'm ashamed for America. Yeah, I'm just ashamed. Just go watch it. Just go watch it once. It's really, yeah. Alright, so I'm not really sure what to do in this video. Hold on, let me just turn down the volume. Actually, let me just see this for a second. Sorry, let me just see this. Tonight, Walker, tonight. Alright, so, actually no, I know what I'm gonna do in this video. Alright, so, I got 2 days ago the cutest monkey in the world. Well, it's like a toy monkey, but it's like so awesome. Hold on, let me go get it. Okay, so this monkey is like so awesome. And I kind of consider this monkey as my other brother. Here he is. This guy's called Monkey Guy. And he is pretty awesome. He got the cool glasses. He got nice teeth. Skull necklace. Nice. So this is him. And he is really awesome. So, what's so cool about this monkey? Hold on, let me turn it on. Yeah, so, sorry, I'm kind of sick. Alright, so when I turn this monkey on, it sings. Let's watch. And it also dances. Let's watch.
Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ike's is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flows like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the light and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock the mic like a vandal. Light up the stage and wax the chalk like a candle.
Alright, now I'm gonna videotape me and my other brother dancing. Here we go. I hope you like it. Don't have glasses. Whatever. Alright, here I go.
Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ike's is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flows like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the light and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock the mic like a vandal. Light up the stage and wax the chalk like a candle.
Hi. Oh yeah, we're so awesome. Oh, you stopped. I don't think you're supposed to stop. You hear me, monkey? What? gonna sing before I punch you in the fucking face. Okay? Okay? You got it? You got it? You got it? Oh, whoa. Hi. You okay? Sorry for that little touchy moment. We sometimes fight, but we're close. You know? We're close. I love you, monkey. I love you, you monkey. Give me a little kiss. Little kiss? Little kiss. Give me a little kiss. He's gay. Alright. So now let's see. What else should I do on this video? Oh yeah. Actually no. I'll keep that for my next video. Alright, so I'm kind of bored. Well, now I'm bored. What can I show you guys? Let's see. Oh yeah. You guys want to see my favorite thing in the whole entire world? You guys ready? You guys ready? I don't think you're ready. Are you? Then wait here. Just wait. Just wait. Wait and see what happens. I'd like to present to you Barbie girl. This is my favorite thing in the world. This is my Barbie. I like to play with it. It has some real nice pink heels, and it has a little nice dress, and ah! I broke his arm. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's now that I'm mad at my Barbie, I'm gonna bite its head off. Here I go. Headless Barbie. There you go, America. Bye.